Buenas tardes, mis amigos. Welcome to Learning Spanish for Adults, where we dissect the intricacies of language with the precision of a Kryptonian laser beam. Today, we delve into the mysterious realms of colloquial Spanish, unmasking the enigma that is Qué Pasa Vato, and deciphering the meaning of the elusive term vato. Now you may be wondering, what in the multiverse does Qué Pasa Vato even mean? Fear not, my curious comrades, for I am here to unravel this linguistic riddle. Qué pasa translates to what's happening, what's up, or what's going on, a seemingly innocuous inquiry. But when coupled with vato, the plot thickens. The term vato is a linguistic dynamo, a chameleon of meaning. It's more than just a mere word. It's a code, a cipher of the streets. Vato is a colloquial expression used to refer to a man, a dude, a compadre navigating the urban jungle with a swagger that demands respect. So when you put it all together, Qué Pasa Vato becomes a sonic handshake, a nod to the streets, a greeting that transcends the mundane. It's an invitation to share tales of triumph and tribulation, to connect on a level deeper than the superficial pleasantries of everyday conversation. But beware, my linguistically curious audience, for the lexicon of the streets is not for the faint of heart. It's a realm where words carry weight, where authenticity reigns supreme. Qué Pasa Vato isn't just a question. It's a challenge, a call to engage in the dance of words with the rhythm of the streets. And there you have it, my friends, the decoded mystery of Qué Pasa Vato. Until next time, subscribe, stay vigilant, stay curious, and remember, in the ever-shifting tapestry of language, knowledge is power.